are coming off the ground, and the leaves colored brown. You want someone to stick around, follow you, heard you spoke the lesson that I had learned. Misty heart in your heart, I'll be there anywhere you want. Troubles coming on the way, but you can still walk them through. It's only two. The world is waiting for you. The last breath of summer is blowing down our necks, and soon we'll wave goodbye to the fleeting bliss. Because you are like a tidal wave, was ripping up my life, not living without a trace. And you know that I'm your silent patient. You know I'm your silent patient. I've been waiting this long out for your hands to hold me up. I'll be holding on through the winter for your kiss to wake me up. Now with the colors of spring, my heart will blossom up again. The speeding up, and with your smile, it will erupt. And I collect all I can, set aside all the supplies. Your kisses and warmness together. Miles and miles on the clear blue skies. We drive straight as an arrow flies. Nowhere to be, no dreams to chase tonight. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right. You and I, our heads up in the clouds. We caught up with the birds flying south. Nothing to see as the day turns into night. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right. We got time to waste, let's waste it right. And I thank you for the leather fans, the kisses and the smiles. And I thank you for being the best part of my life. And every time that things go wrong, you pull me up, I come back strong, oh yeah.